Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you all here in this new year 2022. And usually on this channel, I make videos for medicos to help them giving a perspective about Prepladder as a coaching support for NEET, PG, FMG, and several exams. But recently, someone asked me about Marrow's rapid revision. Like Marrow also has some kind of revision videos there in their app. So, but since I don't use Marrow and I don't have any idea, but I know someone who agreed to help Mr. Rahul Rana to ask him about Marrow, since I suppose you have already watched our video Marrow versus Prepladder for coaching that has already crossed, I think, 6,000 views. Thank you very much. So today in this video, I will not compare rapid revision of Prepladder or Marrow because I have already discussed in past interviews in recent videos like how rapid revision of Prepladder helps. But there is no such video about rapid revision from Marrow. Is it high yielding? How is it to use that? Or should student even try to watch those videos? So without any ado, let's start this video. Hello, Rahul Rana. How are you?
I'm good.
So first of all, tell me about yourself in a way that how you have been using Marrow and what milestones you have achieved in this preparation from Marrow.
Okay, so I have been a Marrow user since March last year. Since then, I have completed like most of the videos, the regular videos, and now I've started with my first revision. And this time, I tried using the revision videos of Marrow.
Okay,
I've used
so
some, but like I'm not done with all of them.
okay, so let me put it straight. Shall anyone, like there are like 2 months for NEET PG now, if we suppose the NEET PG won't delay anymore. So should anyone try Marrow rapid revision or Marrow revision videos?
Yes, actually, if you are saying like we just have 2 months, I will say that just go ahead with the QBank. You should not do
Okay.
the videos or anything because this is all a passive form of learning, and it won't help in a real exam.
Okay,
Because
so
you
what
won't
is the
retain. Yeah.
okay, so if you are telling me you won't retain from those videos, so what is the basic difference between main videos and revision videos?
So they will just like mostly everything, like most of the things that are there in the main videos, they are there in the revision videos itself as well. Even like I got confused, like how come they are giving same content there and here. But the difference is that they won't like give you that much time to soak in the information. They will just go through everything. Uh, like it depends on the subject. Like for anatomy and for physio as well, I think they have the similar content. Like you can mark lines from in the main notes from the revision videos. Like, but in some subjects like pathology and pharmacology, all the information is in tabulated form. I will highly
Okay.
suggest to everyone to watch those, especially pathology.
Okay, so what can I understand from your explanation is the content is same. Okay,
Yeah.
so there are no doubts like later if you'll get the question paper from the recall session, you will find those answers in the revision videos. But that is like to the point. The content is very much to the point, and there are no
Yeah.
time to build the concepts and understand the facts.
Yeah, they won't try to make the concept in the revision videos. It's like they
Okay.
are telling like these are the most important topics. In the most important topics, these are the things that you have to know. It's like that.
Okay, so let's put aside NEET PG and let's talk about FMG that's going to happen
Yeah.
in June, like after 5 months, not even 5 months actually. So
Yeah.
should anyone try who has not prepared anything yet? Okay, neither
Okay.
main videos nor like prep ladder or anything. So should he or she try Marrow revision
Yeah.
videos?
Yeah. I like now I will say that even if you have 1 year to prepare for the FMD, you should watch the revision videos first. Like
Okay.
if you are not getting the concept, then you can go and watch the main video.
Okay,
For
okay, okay.
what subject, like for I won't recommend this for medicine, because for medicine they have only 10 videos. I don't think they could ever be sufficient for medicine.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So you mean if one should only watch revision videos, or one should start watching revision videos prior to the preparation, just so that you get an idea like how much you are prepared already. And then if you feel you are lacking in some points, you can watch the main videos for
Yeah,
that topic.
yeah, that's the yeah, yes, yes, yes. Like in our main videos, there are subtopics as well. So if you are weak in that particular subtopic, you can go and watch that part. For FMD, they are more than sufficient, I think.
You are saying let's start with, or maybe you might wish you could have done that earlier in your preparation, starting revision videos first. So won't there be a sense of you might miss some facts that are present in main videos, not here?
Yeah, like if you are beginning the preparation, you might think that. But like at the pace where I am right now, I think most of the stuff I have already forgotten from the main videos. I think I should have revised every day.
Hmm.
But I just watch the videos, mark on the notes, and now I don't like. Basically, I recall only like 10-20% of the whole which what I watch.
Yeah, I can totally feel that. uh,
Yeah, if you are
the
watching the
feeling
revision
is
videos, then
likewise.
yeah, if you are watching the revision videos, like I would recommend, like there are 140, around 135 or 140 videos. You can watch one video every day, and you can try to get as deep as possible as you want. Like around 1 hour 200 minutes you will spend on watching the video, if you are even if you are watching on 1x, and then you can like dig deep into the topic by yourself.
Okay, so you mean like if you have been a like above average student in your college years, so you might already know the concepts. So to those students, the
Yeah.
revision videos will help. But to those students
Yes.
who have enjoyed their med school, like us, they should watch main videos
No,
because just
still
okay,
no.
okay, go on.
Like my
Okay,
concept have changed since the time I started my revision, like my preparation. Now I will say like everyone should have watched the revision videos first.
okay. So everyone should
Like
watch revision videos first.
yeah, like I'm not saying that they will just brush up on the topics. They will explain the important things,
Okay,
and the
but
rest of the,
briefly. But
but
do
briefly,
but do
yeah.
you think they will like touch each and every topic? Obviously
Hmm.
they won't make you understand the topic, or they won't explain
Yeah,
the
yeah.
topic in the depth, but will they mention each and every topic that is there in the main video?
No, not each and every, but the important
Okay, so
ones,
high yielding
like
stuff.
high
Okay,
yielding. Yes. I
okay.
think for NEET as well, like they have NEET in mind when they were preparing these videos. I won't say these are
Okay.
as high yielding for
FMG
INS
oriented.
set. No,
Oh,
FMG
okay.
is. I am not sure if Marrow has some, like Marrow has separate version for FMGs, but that is quite similar to the normal videos.
So one should try rapid revision videos from. So
Yeah.
I'll just give you an example. There was one post in the Prepladder group. A student only read rapid revision through rapid revision of Prepladder, and he did it multiple times, like 8 to 9 times. He revised through those videos and notes only, and he somehow managed to get a government seat in NEET PG. So, do
Okay.
you think the same case is possible with Marrow revision videos as well? Since you are
Yeah.
mentioning all the topics are already touched, and even if you don't know, let's make sense out of it. Like, does it mean like you don't need to know depth of the concepts to crack a NEET PG exam? Rather, you need to remember those facts for longer.
Yeah. I think concepts are. Okay, okay, leave it.
Well, concepts obviously take time to
Like concept
inculcate
takes
in your
time,
minds.
and yeah, but I think facts are more important than those concepts. Like every other
Yeah.
question, you will see that which of the following is false. So
Mhm.
you have to know those facts. You have to remember those facts. So if you'll give all your time to like conceptualizing everything, you won't get time to remember.
So rapid revision is really helping you as well.
Yeah.
So just to brush up a topic, you can do the revision videos. And what about like usually what students do is medicine, OBGY, like the main subjects. The students will do that from main videos only, and minor
Yeah.
subjects like forensic and all, they will jump to revision videos for the same subject. So do you think the same can be followed in Marrow as well?
Yeah, very much. Yes. I have not done medicine or OBGYN videos, revision videos from Marrow yet.
Hmm.
But I've heard that OBGYN videos are really good. For some subjects, it's really helpful. But for when I was doing anatomy, I felt like the content is almost same. Like the teacher
Hmm.
has same content, he just sorted out the things he should include or not. But
Hmm.
like there are few teachers who really work for these revision videos, like for pathology and for pharma as well. Everything is in tabulated form, like everything is compared and all.
So
Easier
that
to
tabulated format you are telling me about, you have mentioned it
yeah.
earlier as well. So that tabulated format, you won't get that in main videos.
No, they will it will be scattered, scattered information.
Okay, so
Like
they don't usually make in the end, like every most of the teachers does is if they are teaching, for example, pharmacology. So either in the beginning or in the end, they kind of
no,
summarize the classifications and all in the tabulated format.
no, like in between, they will there are tables and stuff in the main videos, but the rapid vision videos, they're all about those tables.
Okay, so what I
Yeah.
wanted to ask was, maybe there's a possibility there is something special in the revision videos that is not there in the main videos.
No,
So that's what I wanted to know.
no, that's just like soaked up version of the main videos.
Okay, so obviously the
Yeah.
main videos are the Bible for, as
Yeah.
they say.
In
Let
2 to 3 days.
let's take a subject for
Important.
example. Okay,
Okay.
and I'll
Yeah.
tell you from Prepladder how much time it takes.
Hours. Yeah.
Okay,
In
wait, my
hours.
lecture is already going. Yeah, in hours. Okay, so which
Uh,
subject? So you'll also tell me
take
yours.
anatomy. Take anatomy.
Okay,
I will just
anatomy. It's around 12 to 13 hours.
Okay, then it's same. Same.
It's same?
Yeah. Okay. I thought that Prepladder,
Like for
I've heard from
for
Prepladder students that
physiology,
they can finish it in 1 day or something like that. Yeah.
yeah, that's what I said now. Like if student has that, capacity to sit for 13 hours, or
Yeah.
14 hours, then they can,
I think
otherwise
that's
not. For physiology, it's like 12 hours. For biochem, it's
okay.
7 hours. Let's go to
Okay.
medicine and let's compare
Like
that.
I'll say
That's
like for biochem I'll say for biochem rapid division of Marrow is the best. I think.
okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Possibly it can be 8, 10. Okay, for medicine, it's around 15 hours.
Okay, maybe for
Rapid
us
revision
also.
videos.
No, I think there are only 8 videos for us in medicine. I don't know how
Okay.
or what. Yeah.
The length. Since you're using phone, you can't, access that. How many hours?
I can just
Okay,
tell you
it's
length
fine.
of the cubing. So I think revision videos are for average students, and the main videos are for like toppers. That's what I would say.
Really?
Yes.
I was thinking of like exactly
Like
the
content
opposite
wise,
version of it.
like content wise, like for example, I am an average student and I can retain like some amount of information, but not everything. So revision videos has that like high yielding stuff. So I think that's sufficient for me.
But
If I
does one can build that concept from those videos? That's the point. Because average students can't, they
okay,
need to spend time to build that concept. But if you're
maybe I'm
talking
not
about
the right person for that. Yeah, maybe
ratification, if you're talking about, then
yeah.
I can agree with you. The rapid revision is good.
Maybe I'm not the
Tavish.
right person to answer like this question, because I have done the main videos and now I am finding these rapid revision videos really helpful.
Yeah, like
Like I
you
am
can
thinking
recall that
in,
main video stuff from rapid revision itself.
yeah, maybe that's the, but I still think like for any average student who like wants to just memorize those important things, rapid revision is sufficient to pass NEET PG, I think. That's it.
To pass NEET PG. Okay,
Yeah, to get
that's
like
a
decent rank, I won't say like top the.
government seat for general. Let's talk about general. Okay, since we are
No,
general. All India
but
quota.
then, but then like I only want surgery seat, so like I would say 6 to 10,000 rank. I think I can manage with rapid revision videos.
But how many times you will revise it?
Um, Once, like rest,
Just
I won't
once?
like. Yeah, I won't be doing like revision videos again and again. Then I'll have my notes. I'll make flashcards. I'll use them.
Okay, so just a follow-up question. If one
Yeah.
has prepared for FMG or any NEET PG exam, and he has done main videos first and he has completed, just like you have completed all the
Okay.
syllabus from the main videos, and later, should they revise from the notes or the highlighted parts? So the question is, how should be the follow-up strategy to prepare for an exam? If you have like 1 year you have spent for main videos and now 6 months are
Yeah.
left, should one keep on revising through the revision videos, or should, as you say, active learning, one should do that and mark
Yeah.
the notes and read notes and GTs and all?
Yeah,
What's your
GTs
take
and
on this?
all. Like half the day you should do question bank if you are done with your first revision. Half the time, I'll say.
Okay.
And the rest of the day you should read your notes or whatever you have made with in your first revision.
So at that part of the preparation, the rapid revision won't really make a difference,
Yeah,
I
because you
guess.
will read your previous notes faster.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, that was my point,
Yeah.
what I wanted you to say. Okay, so
So you were
since
leading.
we have already concluded this, I won't say debate, but discussion, healthy
Discussion.
discussion. Okay, okay, ending this video again. Thank you guys for joining in, and if you're still watching, thanks for your time and keep preparing. Do leave a like if you got some knowledge through this video, and subscribe to the channel. That really makes
Helps.
me feel good.
Also, the YouTube
Eh,
algorithm.
yeah, let's blame YouTube algorithm. And also comment if you have any doubt regarding the medical studies and preparation. If I'm able to help you, I'll help you for sure. Thank you, Rahul, Rana, for joining in and helping students and giving me some insights of Marrow.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Bye
Bye bye.
bye. Keep studying, guys.